Today we have got an interesting product to unbox and review, the HelloVSTV Nano digital wireless intercom system. It's designed specifically to enhance communication in production environments, making it go-to for film crews, event teams, or really any setup where clear wireless communication is a must. Right out of the box, it's prepared ready. You can tell this system is compact, lightweight, and easy to use. It comes with a 10-piece Nano pod system and a bridge cable, ensuring real-time voice transmission is with no lag. One of the standout features is the DECT digital wireless technology. This ensures zero latency, crystal clear sound quality with a private and interference-free conversation, which is key when you are on set or in a fast-paced event environment. The HelloVSTV Nano Action Communicator packs a punch with its built-in speaker that delivers crystal clear sound external, immersing you in every word and making conversation truly come to life. And when you need privacy, HelloVSTV Nano effortlessly connects to a headset through its 3.5mm audio jack, ensuring you are always in control of auditory adventure. The system's full duplex design allows team members to speak and listen simultaneously, which dramatically improves efficiency whether you are working on a film set or handling a live event. With up to 10 units included, the system is scalable, making it perfect for both small and medium-sized teams. Another bonus, the battery life is impressive, lasting through the entire day of production without needing constant recharges. Overall, the HelloVSTV Nano is practical and efficient solution for teams that need seamless wireless action communication. It's portable, easy to set up, and delivers professional-grade audio performance. My production team finds it incredibly helpful during our shoots, and I highly recommend it if you are in need of reliable intercom system. This is all about this product. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, and I will see you in the next video.